We got the knot. Arvin's getting everything tied up.
Now, one goes here. Hey.
What?
One goes here to there. One goes from there to here. And that way it cannot do this.
I'm just gonna do that anyway.
We can do one long.
Alright, we got the binomy off.
So let me through. I'm gonna get a fairly long.
And we've got the main cell with the cover tied up. We just can't get this whole thing. We're going to tie this part up. We're going to secure the boom. And we got one rope right here, but we need to secure it. We need to get the boom for it. We need to do that with the boom. Or we could take the end of the main sheet. We'll take the end of the main sheet.
Hand me that.
Alright. We're gonna add another line here. But we got two of them right there. And we're tied to the pennant over here. Just like the paper said. We're gonna clean all this up. We can't that's full of diesel, so we're not gonna put any diesel inside the boat, but we are going to tie this down a lot better than what it is. Main sheet is tied right there. Let me see, going up the mast. Got those. And everything here. Alright. Arvin's in there tying it up. The thing, that is way too hard just to we'd be there half a day or more doing all that. So what we're going to do is we're going to tie it up pretty good and just hope it stays. It should not spin. We're going to get some more rope on it, tie it up pretty good so it won't be all over the place. The pole here we're going to put inside. Nothing on the deck except for the occasional gas can right there will be flying off the dock. The dinghy, we're going to take the batteries out. We're going to take the engine off and put everything inside. Then we're going to give the line and we're going to tie it to the back of the boat and give it about 15 feet or 10. That's for Hurricane Irma. So, coming up here on Sunday. We're not sure. We're expecting probably around 100-mile-an-hour winds. And we're gonna be cleaning the boat up. I'm just gonna do that for us, but we're gonna get everything off the deck. There's not much here. We are in Fort Myers Beach, mooring field. There's the bridge. And there's the Coast Guard station behind Diversified Yacht Service. And the police have said no SOS calls during the hurricane. The Coast Guard came and we are leaving the boat. However, the boat will stay moored here. And Arvin's got a spider web thing going. But all the shrimp boats over there, they're docked up, tied up 3x3 for the most part. Some of them have one, and we're not sure how they're gonna fare, but I don't know, maybe better than us, maybe worse, who knows. That whole dock could come apart and one of them would be in the water. This guy here, he is staying through the storm. And we're gonna go. This guy here, he's our friend Kevin. And he's getting his boat ready. We're getting our boat ready. And we should be done with everything in about an hour. Okay, here is Irvin. Irvin. Irvin is all cocooned up right now. Maybe he'll grow wings and fly away.
That's a good complaint.
I get the camera out and it all dies down.
All these National Guard guys look like they came from the NBA. That's all. Yeah.
Hey, nothing yet.
I want to be able to hide in the bushes. I saw one guy, I was on my car.
I even got a National Guard Humvee. I don't know, so tell me which one it is.
This guy, even the surges in the wind.
Alright, so what is that? About 40 something right now with some gusts, probably about 60. Alright, damage video number 1. The boat fared fairly well. We got 2 lines here, we're still on our mooring ball. Right there. Mooring number 9. And our lines are still where they're supposed to be. And still got our gas tank all tied up. It was a category 3, went down to a cat 2 almost immediately when it hit the town. I'm trying to get away from the wind, but and even our pole, we forgot about our pole, and it is still there. Cool. Okay. It's still covered fairly well. And everything we tied. We took the bimini down. So that one would get all ripped up. Our solar panels are still there. Our fan blade's still there. Generator, wind generator. And the speaker's still there. Everything. Everything in the cockpit. We got about 50 miles an hour one here. Everything is, except for our dinghy. Our dinghy is a victim of Hurricane Irma. First look inside the boat. Our microwave is kind of half out, half in. Looks like it's still okay. Everything here is still okay. There's some glasses and stuff knocked around. Everything in there is still where it needs to be, or should be. Our refrigerator. I think we put that down. There's one way to find out. I think we had this down when there we go. There's one way to find out if we got, and yeah, that looks good. No damage. No damage. Right there, we've still got power coming into. Looks like we need to turn it on both to get the engine battery powered back up again. Okay.
Because they did not have control over the people. And 9/11 gave them almost total control over the people.
Yeah, Homeland Security, exactly. And
That's
now,
it. Got a bunch of shit all over. Oh, okay. Bunch of stuff all over the floor. Looks like a hurricane did it. But like everything else, everything else is our bimini. Okay, things look good here. Trying to, and this is where we put everything for the hurricane. Everything seems to be where we left it.
Yeah, I didn't think about it that way.
And, you know, all in all, we knew the movies on top of there, or like right there, they would all fall out. And really, it looks like that's about all that happened. So, now is the fun part. Well, it shouldn't take any time at all.
Because we will not tolerate and put up with that. And then what they're doing
Okay.
now is they're spoon feeding these younger kids, you know.
Got in the cockpit. I'm gonna grab
Have been
the
born the last
The
lines.
Yeah.
it's on 20 years.
Yeah, the millennials.
They're gonna
Yeah, they're taking them.
And right here was connected to the dinghy, and it fell apart. It ripped off from the dinghy. We had it pretty tight. We had a couple of lines on it. This one was in the middle that we tied those lines to. And it still fell. We had about 15 feet of line. We have that other end of the line.
That's turn line for the baby.
That's the other side right there. Right there, that's the other side. Okay. There we got some dolphins playing better than SeaWorld.
You stand up there. Isn't that something? Oh, you see this is SeaWorld, don't you?
They're doing it.
And we got it right here for your charge.
And a baby.
Are you getting them?
Yep.
Isn't that pretty?
And a
Oh,
baby.
look at there.
There we go.
Woohoo!
Oh.
Oh, way up there now.
Okay.
We're on the other side of the